I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pairing and confirming the earbuds are responsive. Put each bud in your ear, open iPhone settings Bluetooth, and tap Galaxy Buds 2 to connect. Once connected, make sure audio plays so you know the link is active. You cannot change ANC settings from iOS apps like you can on Samsung phones, so pairing is the critical first step. This prepares the Buds 2 to accept touch commands that toggle noise canceling without any additional software. Now you use the built-in touch control to switch modes. You press and hold the stem on either ear for roughly 1.5 to 2 seconds. You'll hear an audible cue confirming activation. Once done, play music or ambient sound and notice how external noise reduces. That confirms active noise canceling. If you hear the ambient pass-through cue instead, repeat the hold until you get the ANC tone. This is the practical way on an iPhone, because finish by confirming consistent ANC behavior across apps and distance. If noise canceling doesn't engage reliably, disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth, then try the touch hold again. If problems persist, reset the buds, place them in the charging case, close for 10 seconds, reopen and repair. Make sure the earbuds have recent firmware. If necessary, borrow an Android/Samsung phone briefly just to update firmware. Once updated, return to your iPhone, and the touch toggle ANC typically behaves correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.